Hello guys, as you might have guessed from the video title, today we're going to be discussing how to find someone's current location. Oh wait, what's that sound? Do you hear it too? Oh yes, it's jingle bells, and you know what that means?
This means that it's finally time to watch Home Alone.
No Christmas is complete without this movie, and I think most of you know it by heart. But what if the McCallisters lived in the modern world, where people use monitoring apps like mSpy to track their kids? Just imagine after realizing that she left Kevin at home.
Kevin!
Kate is Googling how to find my son's location and comes across the best tracking app, mSpy.
Of course, it'd be better if she thought about it beforehand and installed the app just in case. I mean, even if Kevin flew to Paris with his parents, he could still be lost, like in the second part of the movie.
Having mSpy, Kate or Peter could just open the GPS locations to track their son's iPhone or Android on a real-time map.
They could even restrict some areas that might be dangerous. Remember the scene when Kevin ran into the robbers Harry and Marv on 6th Avenue who were trying to kidnap him? Or how Kevin and the pigeon lady came up with a plan to help the police catch these nasty guys?
Well, overcrowded parks and streets are already dangerous for kids.
But with robbers like Harry and Marv, these places can get even scarier. If Kate had mSpy, she could simply restrict them.
What kind of mother am I?
How? Well, she'd use this guide. Log into the mSpy control panel, go to the Locations tab, open geofencing settings and press the plus icon, set up safe and dangerous zones by entering the locations. Well, in the first part of the movie, the McCallisters' house is a scary place, so Kate probably should have added that to the dangerous zone, right? Luckily, Kevin manages to protect himself. I hope you're more responsible parents than the McCallisters, and you won't leave your kids home all alone. And if you do take them out for your Christmas celebration, you should remember that the streets are super crowded on the holidays, so kids can easily get lost. The best thing that you can do for their safety is to get mSpy. By the way, it's now at 50% discount. So don't miss out. You know where to find the link. On a positive note, I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hope you knock yourselves out. One thing before I do go though, please like this video, subscribe and hit the bell icon. This helps the video get to the top for as many people as possible to see it, making it the best gift that you can give us. In return, I promise that you'll get even more interesting and fun videos next year. Bye bye for now.